What's going on, everybody? It's me, Tyron. Today I'm reacting to this video. I'm reacting to 3 videos. I like trains, Mine Turtle, and this other one I forgot what it's called. Everybody do the flop, everybody do the flute, flop, whatever you call it, that mess. But let's get into this.
I like trains.
What? Why you looking like that? I don't know what this is. He naked. He ain't. But he got hands.
Hey, have you heard of the I Like Trains kid?
Nope.
He's pretty cool, but there might be something wrong with him.
Same thing. I hate potatoes.
I don't know if he's just or if it's something with his brain.
What kind of brain is
The only thing he
that?
ever says is, I like trains. I like trains. I like trains. From birth, the I Like Trains kid never spoke a word, not even to his parents, not a single sound was heard. But on the first day of school, the teacher asked his name. All he did was smile as he said, I like trains. I like trains.
Why is school spelled like that?
I like trains. They put him on some Ritalin to see if that would help. The doctor found the perfect dose and asked him how he felt. He stared at the doctor with a little creepy smile, and the I Like Trains kid said, I feel great. He got a fancy job and he straightened out his life. He met a nice girl who he asked to be his wife. As they stood at the altar and prepared to say the vows, he put a ring on her finger and he said,
Yep, you should
I like trains. I like trains. Got bad grades. I like trains. Awkward date. I like trains. Don't like trains. I like trains. I like trains.
I still don't react to these videos. Don't got me everything. That's all I got.
I like trains.
I Like Trains, another Aston Movie t-shirt, now available at
Yep, don't
sharkrobot.com.
want it. I'm cool. Yep, this song's stuck in my head. That's all I got time for today. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. That was a short video.